Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Altaf. I'm Annie, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to become fluent in English faster than ever.
Hi friends, I'm Altaf. Yes, today we'll show you how this amazing AI tool can be your personal English coach, practice partner, grammar guide, and so much more. Let's discover how ChatGPT can become your fluency accelerator.
So let's begin with something simple. What exactly is ChatGPT? It's a chatbot developed by OpenAI, and it can talk with you just like a real person. You type something in English and it replies instantly. That makes it perfect for English learners who want to practice every day.
Exactly, Annie. Most learners don't have someone to speak English with daily, but with ChatGPT, you always have someone to practice with. It's available 24/7, and it never gets tired or bored.
Let's say you want to practice greetings. You can type, "Hi, how are you?" And ChatGPT will reply like a native speaker. Then you continue the conversation. Slowly, you'll gain confidence and learn real conversational English.
And not just that. If you make a mistake, ChatGPT can gently correct you. For example, if you write, "he go to school," it might reply, "Did you mean he goes to school?" It teaches grammar naturally, without making you feel embarrassed.
Also, many learners struggle with vocabulary. Don't worry. Just ask ChatGPT to explain new words. For example, type, "What does determined mean?" And it will give you a simple explanation and maybe even a sentence example.
And if you want, you can ask for synonyms, antonyms, or pronunciation tips. For example, you can write, "Give me 5 synonyms for happy," and ChatGPT will list them: joyful, cheerful, glad, delighted, and content. Isn't that useful?
Very useful. And you can even practice writing. Suppose you want to write an email in English but don't know how to start. You can say, "Write an email to my teacher about my absence." And ChatGPT will generate a sample.
That's right. You can learn formal English, casual English, and even business English this way. It helps you understand how English is used in different situations.
And one more thing. Some people are shy to speak English. They fear making mistakes. But with ChatGPT, you don't have to worry. You can type freely, make errors, and still learn. It's private and friendly.
Yes, it gives you confidence. The more you use it, the better your English becomes. ChatGPT can also quiz you. You can type, "Give me a quiz on past tense verbs," and it will ask you questions like, "What is the past tense of go?"
And when you get the answer wrong, it will explain the correct one. Learning from your mistakes becomes very easy and fast. You get instant feedback.
Another way ChatGPT helps is by correcting your writing. If you write a paragraph, you can ask it, "Please correct my grammar," and it will edit it for you while explaining the changes. That's better than a textbook.
And don't forget pronunciation. You can ask it, "How do you pronounce entrepreneur?" And it will show you the correct phonetic spelling and even give you a voice link if you use tools with audio.
You can also ask it to act like a teacher. Say, "Act like an English teacher and explain present perfect tense." It will give you an easy explanation, examples, and maybe even a mini test.
If you want to improve your listening, you can copy dialogues it gives you and read them aloud. You can also listen to English voice tools side by side with ChatGPT. It becomes a full language lab.
And if you're preparing for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, or school tests, just ask ChatGPT, give me IELTS speaking topics with answers, or help me with TOEFL reading practice, and you'll get personalized help.
There's no limit to how you can use it. Even kids can use it to learn simple English words, and adults can use it for advanced vocabulary and sentence structure.
It also helps with creative writing. If you want to write a story, just say, help me write a story about a cat who travels the world, and ChatGPT will build a story with you. You can learn storytelling skills, sentence flow, and new expressions.
Another smart use is asking it for idioms, phrasal verbs, and their meanings. You can type, "What does break the ice mean?" And it will give you the meaning and an example sentence.
So, whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, ChatGPT meets you at your level. You don't need expensive teachers or classes. You just need time, interest, and a little curiosity.
But remember, ChatGPT is a tool. You have to use it actively. Don't just read its answers, interact, ask questions, correct yourself, and practice often.
Yes, use it every day, even for 10 to 15 minutes. Write a paragraph, do a chat, practice verbs, or learn new words. With regular use, your English will improve quickly.
So, what have we learned in this video? We learned that ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's your personal English coach. It helps you speak, write, read, and understand English in a fun and easy way.
That's right. It helps correct your mistakes, expand your vocabulary, guide your grammar, and build your fluency. ChatGPT can truly become your English fluency accelerator if you use it smartly and regularly.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, English with Altaf, for more easy lessons and tips.
We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and let ChatGPT be your daily English buddy. Goodbye.